Speaking of anxieties, people in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi have much to be anxious about. In fact, across the country, because farmers, or rather anti-farm law protesters, have decided to observe a nationwide agitation on the 26th of this month, just 2 days from now, to mark 6 months of the beginning of their Andolan. The problem is that this is despite the fact that across the country, health experts have warned against any kind of large-scale mass gathering of this nature. Not only that, going by the images that you see on your screens right now, not only is this gathering large, but there is no observance of any COVID-appropriate behavior. The problem also is that this kind of violation is now getting open political support with a dozen political parties. In fact, practically all non-BJP parties across the country supporting these anti-farm law protesters and actually calling their demands just.
एक बातचीत हुई है और उन्हें 1 महीने में लीगल प्रोसेसिंग जो भी है 1 महीने का टाइम लेके उसको सब मुकदमे ख़त्म करने की बात करी है। आज वहाँ आईजी, डीआईजी और कमिश्नर और डीसी सब लोग वहाँ पे पूरा प्रशासनिक अधिकारी था। उनकी बात हुई होगी सरकार से भी अपनी चंडीगढ़, तो उनके ब्याह पे उन्हें सारी चीज़ें कही है कि जो भी 16 तारीख के केस है, जो भी उसके आगे पीछे के केस है, उन सारे केसों को ये ख़त्म करेंगे।
And also among these 12 political parties who have lauded and supported the anti-farm law agitation, especially what has been called on the 26th of May, is the Congress. Congress President Sonia Gandhi is one of the signatories, even as the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, also of the Congress, has urged the Kisan Netas to call off this agitation in the interest of democracy, in the interest of the safety of all people. He's in fact told them to not protest in this fashion. So is the Congress playing good cop, bad cop over the health and lives of people?
मैं इन 12 विपक्षी पार्टियों से पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपने एक बार भी उनको वैक्सीनेशन करवाने के लिए कहा? एक बार भी उनको कोरोना का टेस्ट करवाने के लिए कहा? अगर ये उनके शुभचिंतक होते तो ये बात वो जरूर कहते। ये उनके शुभचिंतक नहीं है, ये उनके लिए घातक है।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All right, joining us on the debate, Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the BJP, Rajiv Ranjan, spokesperson of JDU, Riju Datta, spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, A. Sarvanan, spokesperson of DMK, Abhimanyu Kohar, farm law, anti-farm law protest leader, and Sujata Paul, political analyst. Let me start by asking you, Sujata Paul, who is the real Congress, Captain Amrinder Singh or Mrs. Sonia Gandhi? Because one is saying don't agitate like this, the other is saying kudos. Sujata Paul, if you could please unmute yourself and then continue.
Sorry. So what I'm saying is that both of them are Congress leaders and both of them are saying the same thing. The point is that their demands are just and they need to be sent home. But how and why? We live in a democracy, but an arrogant, egoistic man sitting at the helm of affairs needs to get off that high horse of his. He should start engaging and communicating instead of, propagating, just preaching to propagate, rather, I would say. He should get off that high horse.
That is great, but can you please tell us who should we be believing? Should we believe Captain Amrinder Singh, who's saying it's irresponsible, or Mrs. Gandhi, who says that this is a just agitation?
The demand is just and we want them to go home, but the key lies in the hands of the government. The government used the pandemic to bring in these farm laws, and the government should consider the hard work and the lives that our doctors and health workers have put at stake for all of us. And all that they need to do is that when we come
That
back in
demand is
2024,
just, we want them to
Yes.
go home, but we will still support them not going home because, well, elections in Punjab are more important. We know this is going to be killer, but we will still support a killer protest because it's more important for us to seek votes in the name of calling the BJP anti-farmer, isn't it?
if there is no livelihood, how will there be life? So we need to consider that as well.
So a few people can die in the process, we can have a spread of corona, so we'll consider it and we will then just wait for the repercussions.
No,
But you
we
know,
will wait for the Prime Minister to take
बड़े
the
बड़े शहरों में
decision,
छोटी
talk to
छोटी
them.
गलतियां होती रहती है.
नहीं, ये गलती बहुत बड़ी है. ये
Right.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी की गलती है, and our Prime Minister needs to engage and communicate. Why are the
I
channels,
see.
all the channels of communication been broken? They need to be spoken to, and if there is a protest, you remember when the West Bengal government
Right.
was taking over, what was happening? Throughout the
You will-
country, the BJP was protesting. What for?
Okay.
So if they can protest, but the farmers can't, what
Right.
kind of democracy are we living in?
Right. Okay, chalo, we've gone on over into Bengal, so let's answer that. It's very convenient, Guru Prakash, you can protest against Mamata Banerjee, it is fine, but when these farmers who have been called, and I quote, heroic and peaceful by these 12 parties start to protest, then you start wringing your hands. Guru Prakash.
Padmaja, we must understand that as far as our commitment to the farm issue is concerned, we seriously don't need any certification from anyone. Only recently, we saw 140% increase in the DAP fertilizer. A massive support to the farmers. Only recently, we saw the rise in the rate of wheat procurement as well. So we absolutely don't need any certificate with the Congress party. But let me tell this, that history will not be as forgiving. When in the entire history of mankind, such an unprecedented challenge we are facing, couple of opposition parties, they have come together to attack the Prime Minister. This is beyond my comprehension. Throughout the last 1 year, we have seen that Congress has done only lip service. And you have asked the right question. Who do we trust? Do we trust Captain Amrinder Singh, or do we trust Madam Sonia Gandhi? There is no clarity in the Congress party itself because there is no leadership, because there is no decision making. Apparently, there are G23, the group of 23 senior leaders who were later portrayed as dissenters.
Okay.
So this shows that there is no internal democracy, collective decision
Stop
making,
making
or
it about the
conversation
Prime
going in the
Minister.
Congress party.
It's not about the Prime Minister as a
I
person.
did not
It's about
interfere
the
when you were speaking,
person.
ma'am. Please have the
Okay, so
dignity.
they will do that every brand of politics. One person will say stop it, the other person will say go ahead. Yes, Mr. Saravanan.
You cannot do
I
this,
said we
ma'am.
must stop
You
it.
cannot do this. He is the Prime Minister of the country. You cannot put everything on him, ma'am. Please be sure.
Well,
Just do some
how
introspection.
can you
Mr.
not-
Saravanan, let me ask you a very simple question. In the joint statement of 12 major opposition parties, they say it's a heroic, peaceful Kisan struggle. Because
Yes.
the 26th January violence never happened, the violence in Hisar never happened, the violence in Punjab never happened. You still agree that this continues to be a heroic, peaceful struggle and you will support it. And I'm sure
Absolutely.
it's also COVID-proof. Mr. Saravanan.
Yeah, Padmaja, there's no doubt about the fact that this is a heroic struggle, even though there were disturbances. There is no investigation as to who was responsible for the violence on the day. We have seen, we know how violence erupts in a peaceful protest. In CAA, there was peaceful protest, and we
There
all
is an
know, everybody
investigation,
knows.
there is a charge sheet as a matter of
Yes,
fact
Padmaja,
in which
yes,
8
Padmaja,
so-called
yes,
farm
Padmaja.
leaders have been named. There's a
Yes,
charge sheet
Padmaja.
now, Mr. Saravanan.
Yes, Padmaja,
So it's
yes,
not like
Padmaja, but we
ghost
all
state.
know,
There's a charge sheet.
Yes, everybody knows. People know who was responsible. We don't
What-
need
what do you
anything
know?
else. Everybody knows who's responsible for that. You know, I know, the people who are sitting in the panel knows who's responsible for violence in peaceful protests. So let's leave that
Let
for
me ask you
another
a
day.
simple question,
That discussion,
sir. I want you to take
let's
one
leave it
look
for another
at these
day.
images on your screen from Ropar, from Hisar today, where there are 5,000 men and women sitting with zero distance, with zero mask, and you're telling me if this happens in Chennai, your government will be happy with it and you will allow it.
See, Padmaja,
And the
we will not
citizens of
allow the
Chennai should
farmers
not
to...
ask you questions because this is a heroic,
Yes,
peaceful
yes.
struggle. Will you
Yes,
allow
yes,
something
Padmaja.
like this to happen in Chennai?
Yes, in the first place, if it is our government, we will not allow the farmers to protest. We would not have allowed, as rightly pointed out by Madam Sujata Pal, that our chief minister would not have sat on a high horse and he would have met the farmers and found a solution. The problem is here. The problem is with the BJP government, which refuses to
Sir,
find
you
solution.
passed this bill in February last year.
Yes.
You passed this bill in February
That is different.
2019.
That is different.
1 year
That
even
is
before
different.
the centre brought it in. What are you even talking
Yes.
about?
Yes. It guarantees.
The state of Tamil Nadu was one of the first ones to legislate the agriculture laws.
It guarantees MSP and it does not have this draconian clauses which is restricting and constricting the livelihood of the farmers.
No,
which
sir.
will demolish
You
the
do not
livelihood of the
guarantee
farmers.
MSP in your
Yes,
state law.
we
But
do
anyway,
guarantee.
that's besides the point.
That is
You are
another
telling
discussion
me-
for another
You
day.
are telling
Yes.
me that this is a responsible protest and you will allow for it to take place in Chennai?
One
If
minute.
on the
1 minute,
26th of
Padmaja.
May, these 5,000 men and women turn up in Chennai, turn up in Coimbatore, you will say, go ahead. This is great idea.
No. See, Padmaja, that's what I'm saying. If we were in power, if we were allowed to handle this issue, the farmers would not protest. We would have found solution. It is the inefficiency, incompetence of the BJP that the farmers are still protesting. The arrogance of the BJP, that is the reason why the farmers are protesting. If this is a government with a human heart, they would have vaccinated everybody who are protesting because that is a
Guru
peaceful
Prakash.
protest. That is a legal protest.
No.
Why the government is
Thank
not
you.
doing and using
Sir,
a
please
fait
listen to me.
accompli.
Please listen to
Fait
me.
accompli.
Please listen to me. Sir, please listen to me. You have heard so many accusations. I'll just address it point by point. You said there was no discussion. 12 rounds of discussion, clause by clause discussion, word by word discussion. Now you are coming on the national television. You are a responsible spokesperson of a political party and you are making such an accusation which is full of lies. Was there no discussion? 12 round of discussion with the senior leadership of the government, with the senior leadership of party. The Union Agriculture Minister was there and many senior ministers were there during the discussion. What did we not agree to? The electricity demand was agreed to. The Parali demand was agreed to. This is a protest of a very strange kind. There is no issue. There is no agenda. They are protesting against a law which is not even operational. What are they protesting? And also in this time of pandemic, we have seen what is happening. And now you are saying that there was no discussion. This is such a pointless exercise, sir. You have done the same thing in your state. Now you are moving back. Please do some introspection of all these political
Riju Datta.
parties, the 12 political parties that they have done. They must do some introspection.
Yes, let my friend Guru Prakash finish, then I can comment. Okay, thank you, Padmaja.
And Riju Datta, you took the support of these people, the Sayukt Kisan Morcha. Don't you think ethically at least you should appeal to these so-called farm law protesters and these leaders and say, this is not the time. This could happen in West Bengal tomorrow, Riju Datta.
Right. First of all, it will not happen in West Bengal. Padmaja, now let me just clarify, give me just 30 seconds, where we stand. You know, my supremo, my leader, Mamata Banerjee, became Mamata Banerjee because she fought for the rights of the farmers and for the land movement of Singhu Nandigram and her 26-day fast, which uprooted the left regime. So we stand in solidarity with the farmers. When the UPA passed this, we opposed it. When the NDA passed it, chup in the parliament during the pandemic, we opposed it. And our senior MPs were, escorted by the marshals out of the parliament. The bottom line here, Padmaja, is these farmers, nobody has mentioned for once that in the 6 months of this Andolan, they have been called Andolanjiris, anti-nationals, whatnot, but 470 people have also lost their lives. How many times we have seen during Bengal elections, the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister come to Bengal, have food in a Kisan's house? Did they even once go to Singhu border?
What does that have to do with anything? Are you saying that this is a good thing to do, Riju Datta? I have a simple question to ask of you. You think this is responsible behavior? Your state is in complete lockdown. Delhi is in complete lockdown. Uttar Pradesh is in lockdown. We are stuck at home. People's livelihoods are being affected. Many people are out of a job. And these people are running around endangering everyone. Are you still going to support it? I mean, far supported. You are calling it heroic, for God's sake.
Padmaja,
It is heroic, Padmaja. It is heroic.
10 सेकंड दे दो, मैं खत्म कर लेता हूँ. See, my in-laws are from Punjab, so I know people who are at this protest, and I called them. I said, "Why are you doing this? कोरोना में तो आप भी मरोगे, बाकी लोग भी मरेंगे." You know the answer they gave me कि कोरोना से तो ऐसे भी मरना है, अगर हम लोग आंदोलन छोड़ दिया तो हमारी जमीन ले ली जाएगी, हम लोग वैसे भी मर जाएंगे. It is a matter of livelihood. It is a matter of right. It is, government.
राजीव रंजन जी, मरना तो है ही. अब ये बताया जा रहा है कि मरना तो हमें ऐसे ही है. कोरोना से मर जाए कोई बात नहीं, और साथ में थोड़े और लोग भी मर जाए तो कोई बात नहीं तो हमारी आजीविका से तो चले ही जाएंगे हम. यही अब लॉजिक दिया जा रहा है. राजीव रंजन जी,
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो जिन सवालों को लेकर के इस आंदोलन के साथ 12 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज खड़ी हुई, उनका समाधान तो 2004 में जिस स्वामीनाथन कमीशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया गया वो यूपीए की सरकार थी, और 2006 में स्वामीनाथन कमीशन की रिपोर्ट आ गई, और 2014 तक जब सरकार रही आपकी, उस दौरान टीएमसी भी 2009 से 13 तक 2009 एंड 2013 ये फेज है जिसमें टीएमसी भी यूपीए की पार्ट थी और स्टालिन साहब की पार्टी भी डीएमके यूपीए की पार्ट. इसलिए मुझे नहीं लगता कोई नैतिक अधिकार जो मसला ये हल कर सकते थे उस मसले
हम लोग यूपीए ने भी अपोज किया था, थोड़ा बहुत देख लीजिए.
और इसकी वजह क्या बताई गई, सीएसीपी का हवाला दिया गया, और जिसमें A2 या A2 प्लस FL और उसके बाद C2 प्लस 50 की मांग आज सबसे बड़ी मांग है किसान आंदोलन की. ये सारे मसले सीएसीपी के नाम पर टाल दिए गए. मुझे लगता है
तो लोगों के लिए है, ये लोग जो मर जाए.
कांग्रेस की खुद की 4 गठबंधन सरकारों की अगुवाई इन्होंने की, और 50 वर्षों के हुकूमत में किसानों को कर्ज माफी दिया. ये भी बताइए,
उगा सकते
किसानों को बैंक की जरूरत क्यों हुई, किसानों को उनके लागत का मूल्य क्यों नहीं कांग्रेस की सरकारें दे पाई. मैं ये जानना चाहता कि इस आंदोलन,
चलिए आप हर चीज पे जैसे ही कोई सवाल उठाना शुरू कर दे, आप ये अन्नदाता का आर्गुमेंट लेकर के बीच में आ जाते हैं. नाउ लेट मी शो यू विजुअल्स व्हिच हैव जस्ट come in, which in fact have been put out by the BKU itself of celebrations. This just and peaceful andolan that you are talking about, of celebrations that have started in Hisar after cases against farmers who engaged in violence last week were withdrawn by the Manohar Lal Khattar government. Look at this. This is an andolan. Let's listen. Let's make all of our viewers and our panelists listen to what is going on right now in Hisar. And such is the level of audacity that after holding common civilians hostage by blocking roads, after trying to arm twist people, here is what is now playing out on the roads of Hisar. Let's listen. बताइए अभिमन्यु कोहर जी, आप तो किसान नेता हैं, ये क्या आंदोलन हो रहा है? वहां पर बिना मास्क के नाचना गाना, रात के 12 बजे, रात के 11 बजे डीजे बजाना, ये क्या है? पूरा देश लॉकडाउन में पड़ा हुआ है, यहाँ पर डीजे बज रहा है, लोग सड़कों पे नाच रहे हैं, मास्क का नामो निशान नहीं है, पर सब सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है कि बोलने की भाई घर जाओ.
देखिए, जिन लोगों के अंदर थोड़ी बहुत भी नैतिकता बची होगी वो लोग निश्चित तौर पे किसान आंदोलन का सपोर्ट करेंगे. सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि आज मैं खुद अभी हिसार में इस पूरे प्रदर्शन में मैं रहा. महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है 16 तारीख को जिस तरीके से हिसार पुलिस ने किसानों के खिलाफ साजिश रची, किसानों को पतली गलियों में
मुझे ये बताइए ना, आप कह रहे हैं आप वहां जनता की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, आप अन्नदाता हैं, जब पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन है, कुछ खुला नहीं हुआ है, ये सड़कों पे नाच गाना कहाँ जस्टिफाइड है? आप बस इतना बता दीजिए. और ये खुद बीकेयू ने डाला है, ये हमने नहीं डाला है.
आपने सवाल पूछा, आप जवाब लेंगे. आपने सवाल करने के पहले खुल के आप ही सवाल कर लीजिए, मैं चुप हो जाता हूँ. ये इस तरीके की बेवजह की ये बहस करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है.
बीकेयू ने ये नाच गाने के विजुअल्स डाले हैं, वीडियो ये डाला है बोल के अरे हम तो सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. ये कैसा आंदोलन है जब पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन है तो लोग सड़कों पर नाच रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं हम तो आंदोलनकारी हैं? ये कैसा आंदोलन है?
आपका सवाल पूरा हो गया?
हाँ, हो गया.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा सुनिएगा धैर्य से, थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए थोड़ा सा. सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि 16 तारीख को, ये शुरुआत कहां से, मैं हिसार की घटना की बात कर रहा हूं, 16 तारीख को पुलिस ने साजिश रच के किसानों के ऊपर अत्याचार किया। 16 तारीख की शाम को आईजी ऑफिस में वहां पे अधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई, एक पंचायती फैसला लिया गया। ये परंपरा है, पंचायती फैसला जो हो जाता है उसका सभी मान सम्मान करते हैं, लेकिन अगले ही दिन प्रशासन ने पंचायती फैसले का अपमान किया, जो आपसी रजामंदी से फैसला हुआ था। उसके बाद 19 तारीख को पंचायत हुई और ये 24 तारीख का आज का कार्यक्रम दिया गया था। जो प्रशासन, जो सरकार अपनी बातों पर,
आपने अभी तक अभिमन्यु साहब ये नहीं बताया लोग नाच क्यों रहे हैं। ये तो आपका हेरोइक स्ट्रगल है। लॉकडाउन के दौरान सड़कों पर क्यों नाच रहे हैं बिना मास्क के, इसका जवाब दीजिए ना। आप पूरा इतिहास क्यों बता रहे हैं किसान आंदोलन का, ये बताइए ये किस तरीके का आंदोलन है, आप बताइए। Riju Datta, does it still seem as just and as heroic to you anymore? Everything gets brushed under the carpet. You want to go attack an MLA, strip him, it is heroic and just. You want to block roads, it is heroic and just. You want to run around pelting stones, it's heroic and just. You want to dance on the damn road, it's heroic and just. Everything is heroic and just. Because next year you have elections.
मैं एक बात बोलूं, मैं आपको, मैं सिंपल बात बताता हूं। अगर
मैं प्रवक्ता नहीं हूं सर, मैं प्रवक्ता हूं लोगों की, जो कि ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपके आंदोलन में नाच गाने से आप क्या प्रूव करना चाहते हैं। पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन है, बताइए अभिमन्यु जी।
जानता आप किनकी प्रवक्ता है? ये नाच इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि खट्टर और दुष्यंत चौटाला की हरियाणा की सरकार जो किसानों के ऊपर अत्याचार कर रही थी, उस सरकार को झुकना पड़ा और उस सरकार को किसानों से माफी मांगनी पड़ी। और जो हमारा 26 तारीख का परसों का कार्यक्रम है वो हमने सिर्फ गांव लेवल तक दिया है, ये आपको समझना चाहिए।
शाबाश, तो मेला लगा लीजिए ना, सिर्फ नाच गा क्यों रहे हैं, मेला लगा लीजिए। आपने सरकार को झुका दिया वहां पे,
किसानों
मेला भी लगा लीजिए, क्योंकि that will also be just and heroic
जो सरकार
and amazing and people will clap।
उसको मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात
बताइए, ये आप सपोर्ट करते हैं? ऐसे आंदोलन को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं रिजू दत्ता?
Padmaja, I just want to say one thing. Padmaja, one second. I do not approve of this Naach Gana during this pandemic. I agree with you. But मैं एक चीज बोलो, सब साइड कर दो. The basic crux of the matter is 3 laws against thousands of farmers. That laws which are stayed by the Supreme Court and it is being benched.
Do something about it then. Tell them to call it off. My problem is, sir, because of your political concerns, when they engaged in violence on Jan 26, you said nothing. When they engaged in violence in Punjab, they blocked railway tracks, they damaged mobile phone towers, you said nothing. Then they attacked a man who just happens to be a BJP MLA, stripped him naked. You said nothing. Now they are behaving, I am sorry to say, but lawless elements on the roads of India, and you will still say nothing. Because for you, politics is more important, and it's disgusting. If they are doing it today in these states, it could be your state tomorrow, Mr. Saravanan, it could be your state tomorrow. Are you still going to support this? What is the possible logic of supporting?
Why don't you?
कुछ भी पूछो, कहते हैं भैया ये तो अन्नदाता है, अन्नदाता है, तो आप ये बताइए, what is this nature of protest?
नहीं, आप एक बार बोल दीजिए ना, ये कानून वापस कर दो, बगड़ा ही खत्म।
तो कानून वापस जब तक नहीं होगा तब तक आप कुछ भी करेंगे। आप लोगों को अटैक करेंगे, पत्थर मारेंगे, नाचेंगे, मेले लगाएंगे, लॉकडाउन वायलेट करेंगे, बस। You are a law unto yourself. Let me just understand then, if that is the official stand of the TMC, so let me ask you, Mr. Saravanan, is it the stand of the DMK that till the time these farm laws are rolled back, these people who claim to be farmer leaders are allowed to do anything? And I mean anything. Pelt stones, violate lockdown, attack people, beat up people, strip them, dance, whatever. It's all okay. Are you going to support that?
Padmaja, they are all protesting against the farm laws in a peaceful manner. They are all law-abiding. If they have violated the law, I don't think the BJP government would have allowed them to continue there. The Supreme Court is watching it. Everybody are watching it.
You are not answering my question,
legal.
Sir.
Yes, I'm coming there.
I am showing you images right now
legal.
of violation of the law. Do you support this?
Then the government, why the government has not taken action?
Law back, everything will be normal.
Yes.
Take the law
So, yes,
Khatam.
yes. Why the question is this?
One more.
Why the BJP government
The laws
is
are for
not
the people, by the
not
people,
willing to
of the
listen
people. Take
when
the
so
laws
much is spoken against this
What is
law?
the arrogance
What
of the
ego
government?
is stopping? Why are they being so egotical? Why can't they
What is
just
the
suspend the
arrogance?
laws
Why can't you say that?
and say we will discuss and pass
You
a
know,
new law?
at the end of the day, honestly, and I just,
But
you know, I
Padmaja,
think
why are you
anyone
reading the
watching right
letter?
now, including me, has a sense of deja vu. Because you've been asking every stakeholder, what are you doing about it? You will say, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Opposition parties will support it, well, naturally, because that is their politics. You should also at this point start asking questions of the government of Haryana, which today withdrew cases against all of these people who indulged in stone pelting. 20 policemen, including 5 police women, 20 cops, including 5 police women, were left bloodied by these people who call themselves farmer leaders, and the government of Haryana today withdrew all cases. And that's why these people are dancing. Think about that. I'm going to leave it at this. Thank you very much, all gentlemen, and Sujata Paul for joining me.